Cash App confusion, unveiling the bank behind the app. Ever since Cash App exploded in popularity, one question seems to linger: who's the bank behind the magic? We all know the convenience: sending money to friends with a tap, instantly depositing your paycheck, or even dipping your toes into the stock market, all from your phone. But with all this financial movement, a natural curiosity arises: where exactly does Cash App fit into the traditional banking system? Fear not, fellow finance friend. This video dives deep into the world of Cash App, uncovering the not-so-secret secret: Cash App itself doesn't actually function as a bank. Let me explain. Think of Cash App as a superpowered middleman. It securely connects your bank account, the one you probably already have with a traditional bank, to the Cash App platform. This connection allows you to seamlessly transfer funds between your bank and Cash App, making all those instant transactions possible. Here's where it gets interesting. Cash App uses a service called Plaid to handle this bank linking process. Plaid acts as a secure bridge, allowing Cash App to access your bank account information without ever actually storing your login credentials. This is crucial for maintaining security, so you can rest assured your bank details are safe and sound. Now, since Cash App isn't a bank itself, it can't hold your deposited funds directly. So, where does your money go? Cash App partners with various insured banks, typically Sutton Bank and Lincoln Savings Bank, to hold your deposited funds. These partner banks act as the secure vaults for your Cash App balance. This partnership allows Cash App to offer the benefits of a traditional bank account, like holding your money safely and enabling features like direct deposit, without the regulatory burden of being a fully fledged bank. It's a win-win. Cash App gets to focus on its user-friendly platform, while its partner banks ensure your funds are protected. However, there are a few things to keep in mind. Since Cash App relies on partner banks, Federal Deposit Insurance, FDIC, coverage might differ compared to a traditional bank account. FDIC insurance protects your deposits up to a certain amount in case of bank failure. While Cash App claims its partner banks offer FDIC insurance, it's always a good practice to double-check the specific coverage limits associated with your Cash App balance. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. Are there any downsides to using Cash App? While it boasts convenience and speed, transactions involving debit cards often incur small instant transfer fees. Additionally, customer service can be limited compared to a traditional bank. Ultimately, Cash App is a fantastic tool for managing everyday finances, sending and receiving money quickly, and even exploring basic investing. But it's crucial to understand it's not a replacement for a traditional bank account. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy managing your hard-earned cash.